Hi children, how are you all? Today our worksheet is rain protection. Put a tick mark in the box for the things that protect us from rain. We have to tick in the below the pictures that protect us from rain. Say me children, will this protect us from rain? What is this? This is raincoat. Very good. Will this protect us from rain children? Yes. These are normal sandals. What are these children? Will this protect us from rain? No. What are these children? Books. Will this protect us from rain? What is this? Umbrella. Will umbrella protect us from rain? Yes, umbrella protects us from rain. What are these? Waterproof gloves. Will this protect us from rain? Yes. What is this children? A comb. Will this protect us from rain? No. What are these? Waterproof shoes. Will this protect us from rain? Yes. This is raincoat. Elderly raincoat. Elder people raincoat. And this one is children raincoat. Now will this protect us from rain? Yes.